Do you already have a photo of a document? Instead of taking another picture, you can turn that photo into a scanned document right in Samsung Gallery. Let me show you how. First, open the Gallery app. Open the photo containing the document you want to scan. Tap the text extraction icon. Then tap Scan. Your phone will automatically detect the document and open it in the document scanning editor. For this example, let's leave everything as it is. Then simply tap Save. Your scanned document will be saved as an image in the document folder while keeping the original photo unchanged. If you like to crop it, enhance it, remove unwanted object, or save it as a PDF, I will show you those tools in the next videos. And that's how to turn a photo into a scanned document on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.